Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this XIAOMI. First of all, access Play Store, tap on the search bar and type DevCheck. After that, download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Over here, select Allow. From this app, you can find out all the informations about your XIAOMI's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!